Today we are going to make a Oreo cake by these two ingredients, Oreo and almond milk. Ooh. What's that?
Okay. So we are going to use these two ingredients.
Almond milk and Oreos.
You can choose any type of milk, but in this case we'll use almond milk because I'm dairy free and Jairus and Jaira are lactose intolerant. But it's okay. We will still use almond milk.
You want some pie?
Yeah, let's start.
Yeah, let's start. Let's go.
The first step is to get 6 Oreos from the pack.
Let's go. The kitchen.
And also get a Ziploc bag.
Put it in there.
Oh.
We're gonna use for school.
Yeah.
6 Oreos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah.
My Oreos. Here. Yo.
3, 4.
Make sure your Ziploc bag is big enough to fit 6 Oreos.
6.
And now you need to crush the Oreos like this. Oh, you almost got one.
Oh my god. To open the pack.
You need to crush it a bit harder. There's like still big
I'll
bits.
do it.
Okay.
No wait. I'm going to close it. No wait.
No way! My fingers are gonna get squashed. A bit more. That middle piece as well. That one right there.
Oh my god.
That one right there. That one. Yeah.
Ah, the bag's opening. Ah!
Okay. All good. Now there's your turn. Move the chopping board to here.
Ow.
Yeah, that's better. Other side.
Oh my! What have you done?
Oh, that's why the Oreo thing came out.
That's what you said.
Okay. Next
Okay,
one.
next one. Just hold it like that. Just leave it. Finally, my one.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That might be
Okay.
too hard. There's a hole.
No hole.
No hole.
I think there's a hole. Other side.
Move on.
Roll.
Okay, just quick line with my hand.
Okay, done.
Let's move on to the next
Whoa,
one.
my one's filled. Wait, if I can shake it a bit, it will go lower. Yeah, this is all I've got. Okay, when it's all crushed. This is all what I've got. Moving on to the next step.
Yay, I'm all done like kuya.
The next step is to eat these. No, I'm kidding. The next step is to get a small bowl like this and also a fork. Or you can use anything else.
Like a cup.
Or, yeah.
Mug. Or
Yeah.
mug. Or glass.
Yeah, or a mug. Yeah.
So what's
So-
this?
But it's best that you use something wide like this so that you can mix it better. And it has to be microwavable as well. So you can put it in the microwave.
How to add some almond milk.
First, taste.
No,
Delicious. The next step is to put 1/4 of a cup of milk. If you're using 6 Oreos like us. And make sure you don't overflow it.
Ah, that's enough.
No, put some more until it's filled all the way to the top.
Oh no.
You can overfill it, but just not too much. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
That's enough. Then you pour. Okay.
Bring it closer. Whee!
Now you need to mix it in well with the crushed Oreos.
Look
So
at
that
that.
all
It's
of the
getting,
Oreos are
getting thick for me
Mixed
to
it.
mix.
then it will look like this. The almond milk will turn brown.
Oh, mine's very brown.
It looks like
That smells. Looks like
smells like almonds.
Smells
Mostly.
like, yeah, it smells like mostly almond.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell like Oreos.
Yeah, it doesn't smell.
Now we need to microwave this for 1 minute. Make sure when you microwave this, you have an older sibling or adult supervision. Put it in there. And 1 minute. Start.
A few moments later.
I can smell it. Oh, as you can see, it is hot, so definitely have adult
Which one is
supervision
my one?
or an older sibling.
Which one
And
is my
look at that
one?
cake. Look at that, it's like smoking a bit. It's smoking as well, it's a bit hot.
Which one looks higher? I
And
really
this is mine,
smell.
this is yours, and this is yours.
My
1, 2, 3. So this is what it looks like after it's been microwaved for 1 minute. And
Wow.
it is actually hot.
Very hot.
Especially when you touch it on the bottom.
Ah!
Taste it.
Ah!
Oh, yum. It tastes like cake.
Yes. This is good.
I would be a 9.5. You just need a bit sweeter, like a bit more sugar, and that'll give it a 10.
Yeah. Now for my rating. 10 out of 10. My rating. 10 out of 10. This tastes as good as dipping Oreo in milk.
Bye guys, we have finished all our Oreo cakes and we are going to make another one. So bye guys, see you next time.